JDCap 26, just do tips and pairs and hobbies. And here we have the Remco. That's a used model. And what I did was I put a light in the back. I'll turn that on. Okay, he flashes. And then you see this button down here. The round symbol, let me get a close-up of this. The round symbol with the arrow is play, okay? So let's push that button.
Danger, danger, Will Robinson. Affirmative, Dr. Smith. Insufficient data. Warning, warning, warning. He's approaching. Do not touch it. It is dangerous. Do not. Caution, caution. There is danger. Watch it, Will Robinson. My computer is the best on Earth. I am sorry.
And that's the end of all the messages you can put on there. You can put your own voice if you want to. And I hope you like this video. Somebody wanted to hear the sounds. And this is just to show an example of the sounds that you can put on here for your personal use. And I hope you rate and subscribe and have a good day. Thanks for watching.